In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can wash and maintain your face mask by yourself. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gyang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you want to get latest notification on our videos, please just click on the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get notification on our videos. So for a starter, I want to show you people how you can remove, you can wash, how you can maintain, how you can make your own face mask. So the first thing is, I see a lot of people make a mistake of removing their face mask like this. It's not good. When you are removing your face mask, you start by removing it from this end like this. So this is how to remove your face mask. That is one. Then secondly, how to maintain or how to wash your face mask. And in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link. This one I made it myself with wipes. This is how to make. In the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link on how you can make face masks with wipes by yourself. I also make this one by myself. I have different type. I'm dropping it in the link how you can make it with Ankara and much more. So with me here, how to wash, how to maintain your face mask. With me here is water. Preferably, it's always better if you wash it under a running tap, but my sink is inside and I'm using natural light. That is why I'm outside. If I'm doing it inside, you might not see it as clearly as this. So with me here is water, and then the next thing you need is your bleach of any type. With me here is hypo. You can use Jig, you can use any bleach of your choice, or you can use Dettol. So here with me is a antiseptic Dettol that I make by myself, and in the description of this video again, I'm going to drop a link on how you can make this by yourself. So, and here with me is soap. You can use any soap of your choice, but here with me is a liquid soap I made by myself also. So in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link also on how you can make your liquid soap by yourself. So I'm going to I put in my liquid soap and then my antiseptic, or otherwise known as Dettol. You can just put small quantity of it, and then of course I'm wearing my own gloves so that in case there's any germs, anything that has contaminated my face mask, I will not be infected through my hands. So I will just put it here and wash it. I'm going to squeeze it, but not so hard. I'll make sure that it penetrates all over, inside out. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. If you have any question, ask in the description of this, ask in the comment section of this video. So I will squeeze it. I'm only using one hand because I'm wearing only one hand's glove. So here is it. I have washed it, and then I'll thoroughly rinse it. As I've said earlier, it's always better if you wash it under a running tap. So I always use my sink that is in my bathroom, but I have to do it outside for sunlight so that you will be able to see me clearly. So this is how to wash and maintain your face mask by yourself. Here is it. So all I need to do is to spray it. I will spray it where there is sun, and it will dry off. So that's how to wash it. And then in the description of this video again, I'm going to drop a link on how you can make perfume by yourself. I also make this myself. And in the description of this video, I'm going to also drop a link on how you can make hand sanitizer the natural way, with just your aloe vera and other stuff that you can find within and around you wherever you are. And again, I'm going to drop a link on how you can make hand sanitizer with other chemicals that you can use and sell. I supply this all around me, all the pharmacies around me. Even right now, immediately after this video, I'm going to drop in a pharmacy that just order for it. So I'm going to be sharing valuable information on this channel. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button and click the bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get it. And again, in the description of this video, I'm going to drop. I know it might not be the right time to start POS business, but I've been in this business for a while now. How you can get free POS to start your own POS business, every other thing you need to start POS business in Nigeria. I'm going to drop it in the link in the description of this video so that you have access to it, so that you will learn. Because I know that this quarantine period, it's time for us to learn a lot of things. It's time for us to reflect. It's time for us to know, learn, and unlearn some things. I know that it's a reflection time where we know that yes, it is, if you don't have other source of income, this is time to think and know what to do next. Even if you are a civil servant, I also share a video, and I'm going to drop it in the link to this video, how you can have people working for you, especially with this POS. Most of people you see around, it's not that it is their own, there are other people that open it for them. And I also share with a lot of my viewers that they tips and tricks and things you can do so that you will not have any issue while running your own business. So in this channel, I'm sharing a lot of how-tos on how to write and self-publish your book on Amazon, how to create graphic design, how to attract buyers online, how to monetize your passion. So if you have any question, if you want to reach out to me, the link to all my social media handle is in the description of this video, including my WhatsApp. If you want me to coach you on how to write and self-publish your book on Amazon, if you want me to coach you on how to create online courses, how to monetize your knowledge, how to monetize your passion, this is the channel. So you can go ahead and click the subscribe button, or just go ahead and ask me on my and click the link to my WhatsApp so that you can chat me one-on-one. Until I come your way in the next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.